So this is new. Yeah, this is our new house. Welcome. Don't worry, we brought the cars too. Let's go for a tour. This is the front entryway to my new house. It's pretty big. This is actually almost as large as the living room that I had at my current house or previous house. New floors, nice windows, new paint. It is a beautiful front entryway. We're gonna have all kinds of play gear here for the kids, as well as a little hangout spot for anyone coming over. But this is only the beginning. Let's keep on going. Right here is the front room. This is going to be a kid's room or office or whatever we want. One thing that we're upgrading right away is the lighting fixtures. There aren't any fans, and in Texas, UV fans along with air conditioning. So, pretty good sized room. This house is a 4-bedroom compared to our 3-bedroom house, so 1 extra room. And a nice little closet here, nothing substantial. And don't worry, we are going to the garage. I am gonna show you the garage. I wanna show you where everyone's gonna shit real quick. And then continuing on over here, we've got another room. This is going to be an office / Lego room. We are big Lego fans in this house, in our previous house, I should say. And this is gonna be a little Lego room. I'm gonna have some bookshelves, kind of like a library, Lego display, you know, hobby kind of room. So that will be real fun. And this right here is my room. This is the, I still live with my parents' room. It's gonna be a guest room, plus my office area. We're gonna have desks, all of our editing and things like that are gonna get done here. It has a really big closet that I'll be able to store all my camera gear in as well. So just kind of like I wanna think of it as like a dorm room, I still live with my parents' room. All my stuff will be in here, plus the guest bed. And yeah, it'll just be a really good spot to edit videos and relax and get things done. Also, another fan is gonna go in here, and yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be a really cool room because a lot of cool things are gonna happen in here for you guys to see on the channel, and yeah, so super cool. Let's keep going. And luckily, in our living room, we've already got all of our furniture that we're gonna need for the foreseeable future. This living room is, again, the size of our living room. It's definitely bigger. So it's weird to think we have like this living room and the front living room. This house is 2,300 square feet. Our current house is 1,500 square feet. So we're almost doubling in size, or we're almost adding 1,000 square feet in size. An extra room, bigger garage, and bigger backyard, bigger lot, bigger house. Everything about this house is bigger than our current house. It was much needed. And we're very excited. Lots of Formula One, football, hangout area in here. We can't wait to fill it with all of our stuff and just create a comfy place. And a wood burning fireplace. That is big because we had an electric one for a while. Served its purpose, but you cannot beat a wood burning fireplace. Let's check out the kitchen, which is right behind you. Right, so the kitchen. I am big into cooking. I love making all kinds of foods. Asian food, Mexican food, American food, Italian food. I love it all. It is so fun. It's kind of like my second little hobby. First time I've had an island, and I am stoked. Kitchen, countertop space, twice as much as we have at our current house. I can't even begin to tell you how exciting it is. New oven, new microwave. We've got a pretty good fridge to put in, brand new dishwasher, nice new sink, all new granite countertops. I mean, everything in this house was redone. And then over here, we have a whole nook area for our kitchen table, bar cart area, everything that you need, all in eat-in space, cook-in space. Everything is separated so we're not overflowing. We don't have kids' toys in the living room. We don't have our kitchen table in the living room. It's gonna be awesome. All new light fixtures too. Big plus. If you're not rocking a Nest, you definitely gotta get one. So came with the house, which is great. And then this is the master bedroom, kind of a dungeon. I think they put dimmable lights in a non-dimmable switch because you flip it on and, oh, there they go. And it's really dark in there, but you probably notice like all of these windows are huge. Like 3 windows in the master bedroom, and then there's like 6 out in the living room. At our current house, we've got 4 windows in the entire main living area. This is huge. Like, so much light comes through. Along with the solar screens, in Texas, it gets insanely hot just from the sun alone, and the solar screens are great. We came in today, it's been 100 degrees today. We came in and our house was cooled to 72 and the air conditioner wasn't even running. So that is massive. Barn door, because it is 2023. I kind of hate it, but it is nice. Huge master bathroom. Way bigger. Again, this is twice the size of our current bathroom. It's just huge. Double sink, gigantic shower. Really nice sitting bathtub. And then the closet. I don't have a lot of clothes, but holy shit. This closet is gigantic. And it even goes back behind the door. For when we need to hide from the tornadoes, we've got a little spot to go. Super cool. So you might have noticed a few things about this house that are a little different. So the front entryway had bars around the entryway, essentially. Had the handicap bars. The bathroom, master bathroom, had holes in the walls from the handicap bars as well. The shower is lipless and has a chair in it. And all of the doors here are like easy in, easy out. The front driveway has an extra car space for parking a handicap equipped vehicle. So people that lived in this house before us were handicapped. Everything here is ADA accessible. So everything is bigger. The doorways are bigger, a little bit bigger than they normally would be. Shower doors bigger, the shower's bigger. Everything is easier to access than it would be. And my driveway, instead of a 2-car driveway, it is almost a 4-car driveway. But we need to go to the garage now because I know that's what you guys want to see most. And that is probably the most exciting part. So let's go take a look now. So as I've said, everything in this house is bigger. The garage is bigger, but don't hold your breath. It's not some gigantic YouTuber's paradise garage. Granted, both cars are in here and there is a lot of space. I think the garage width is, it's about 1.5 to 2 feet wider. But the big thing here is we get all of this extra space that we didn't have in the old garage to put our shelves, our tool bench, our TV. Everything is gonna go right here. So future videos coming. I've already ordered double the lights that we have in the current garage. I think I have 8 of those Barina LED lights. I ordered 8 plus 6. So we are gonna be lit up, painting the ceilings black, painting the walls white. I know they're already white, but I'm gonna just refresh them. Getting rid of the pegboard, getting a new tool bench, hitting a shelf here, shelf there. You know, we're gonna figure it out. Obviously the trash cans are gonna be moved out of here, but we need to add our TV and double garage door. As you guys have noticed, the little center thing is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. The driveway is much more low car friendly. It is straight in, straight out. There's no hump in the middle. I can pull the Miata in forwards or backwards. I just decided to back in because, you know, it looks better and it's a power move when you back in. And here is the extra driveway space. I could fit 2 Miatas right here easily. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You could probably fit 6 cars in this driveway. It's absolutely insane, but here we go. Miata and GTI, all in the new house. A little bit of things to do here and there, new lights, new lighting fixtures, but I'm so stoked. This is gonna be so fun. I hope you guys are excited. I know this is kind of out of the ordinary for me, but I do more vlogs sometimes too, and this was exciting. I've been looking forward to this. Guys, we have been looking for a new house forever. This one just worked out so perfectly. No one lived here. Pretty sure the last owner passed away. I don't know. I mean, they definitely passed away because this was an estate house. I don't know if it was in the house or not. Doesn't matter to me, but totally fresh house. Inside is redone. This is like perfect for me, for family. I mean, I couldn't be more excited to share this journey with you guys of upgrading this garage from a fresh slate, painting, all of that. Super excited. We are definitely getting HVAC out here. That is one thing that we are doing. So we are gonna be able to film longer, more times in the garage when the summer heat is just beating down on us. So get excited for that. I'm gonna do like a video next week of our upgrades, I guess. So as we get everything moved in tomorrow, we will be able to start getting the HVAC installed. I need to have an electrician come out. We're having all kinds of people come to the house and start installing some things to get it, you know, get it ready for us. And once we're moved in, I've got a ton of videos lined up for you guys. I hope you're excited. I took a time, and you know, this moving thing was so stressful, and it was just taking up so much of my energy and spirit and all of this stuff. And I just, you know, I slacked on the videos a little bit, didn't have too much to do. But now that we're getting settled in, I mean, like I said, garage update with installs, HVAC, lighting, painting, all that. So I'm gonna film all those as I go, try to do kind of like a vloggy thing, but that's what I want to incorporate, the housing thing. Like, we're all car people. We love our garages. We want to outfit it how we can. And that's what we're going to be doing in, you know, these next couple videos. But then we're going to hit it hard. We are going to install a bunch of things to the Miata. We've got all kinds of things to do. I've ordered some cool little parts from Japan that are coming, of course, coming from Japan, whatever. So excited to show you guys that. It'll be something different that I know that you guys probably haven't seen before. So get excited for that. Otherwise, I'm so happy to be able to share this with you guys. I hope you are excited as well. I appreciate you sticking with me the last few weeks as we've worked through all of this moving stuff. And yeah, I have the best subscribers, you know, all 10,000 of us. We're working our way towards 11,000. So if you are new to the channel and you want to see more, go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I will see you guys in the next one.